Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to get DoorDash Tax 1099 form. If you want to get a DoorDash 1099 form, you just need to watch this video right till the end. So here, I'll be providing with the steps. So when you go to this link, that is demovetax.com/DoorDash, you'll be able to find a list of information regarding the 1099 form. Now, first of all, you could see if you're a DoorDash delivery driver, tax seasons can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to understanding your 1099 form. If you press on the link, you'll be directed to the page. You could also go with what is the 1099 form and all that. And here, in order to get your 1099 form from DoorDash, you actually need to, this actually happens with the DoorDash itself. So DoorDash will notify you if your 1099 is available with a link to download it. Likewise, you could also access your tax document through a DoorDasher app or a Strip Dasher or dashboard as well. If your DoorDash user used a third-party processor like Stripe or PayPal, for your payments you may receive your 1099 form directly from them as well. So I hope the video was informative. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. You could also go and explore other information as well on this page. So that's it, and see you in the next video.